So, April and I were watching a video yesterday. It says, how to replace your tire monitor with no special tools. What special tools did he have, April?
Really?
Yeah, so let me see. What special tools did he have? It wasn't a dildo.
He
It wasn't a vibrator.
a program thing.
He had no special tools, though.
He had a jack. He had a compressor. He had a shop vac sucking the air out.
He had a lot of special tools, didn't he? Replace TPMS with no special tools. Well, let's say he had special tools. You ready? Let's play it. I just love these. Now these are the clowns.
Seat of the rim, and we'll start putting some air to it.
So let's rewind it.
To get started on the seat of the rim.
No special tools required.
That's how he got views, because of what he captioned it.
Oh yeah. So let's.
Tpms sensors and whatever other.
That would be a special tool, right? So one was the tire diagnostic tool.
I know that
So then we're going to fast forward. What other special tools did he have?
The jack,
A shop vac,
the compressor.
an air compressor, and he also had a floor jack, right?
Yes.
And then he also had a sledgehammer. I think that's all special tools. This guy's funny. This guy's funny. No special.